Kaufman Realty and Auctions is proud to present a prime commercial property that checks all the boxes for location, versatility, and value. Situated on a 0.64-acre commercial lot, this property features an 8,500 square foot light industrial building. Comes fully fenced with ample parking. This property also includes a 43 by 28 garage and a 22 by 17 garage. The main building hosts an impressive 40 by 40 foot bay with 22.5 foot ceilings and a 12-foot garage door. All the cranes in the building will convey with the sale of the property, and you'll have the benefit of 3-phase power for your heavy equipment or manufacturing needs. According to 2023 data, this location sees just under 20,000 vehicles daily, giving your business or tenants incredible visibility. You'll be surrounded by thriving neighbors including Tractor Supply, Walmart, car dealerships, a car wash, and more. Whether you're looking for an auto repair shop, a dealership location, manufacturing hub, or a flexible commercial setup, this property delivers unmatched potential. Online bidding is now open at KaufmanAuctionsWV.com. Don't miss your chance. Visit our website today for full details, photos, and bidding information. That's KaufmanAuctionsWV.com.